Hi everyone, I hope you're well. Welcome back on this new video where I'm going to show you what I have to sell, bags, luxury bags and accessories that I have to sell exactly. So stay until the end of this video because I have new amazing luxury bags that I just received for you. So I'm so excited. So if you don't know me, my name is Margot alias Margavalux. I'm selling luxury, pre-loved luxury bags and accessories with my companion Vincent. So we do have our own website, bamluxurystore.com. I'm passionate about luxury handbags since like more than 12 years now. And I'm doing this, I was doing this for myself, family, friends, more and more people. And then thanks to my YouTube channel, I started to do this more widely. And now it's becoming like, well, it's been 1 year and a half that I'm doing this as a real business. So I'm very grateful because it's been a great adventure so far. So thank you for following around here. Do not forget to follow if you like luxury, like bags and accessories. Also, if you're a bag lover, bag addict, I would even say. Anyway, let's start. So the first item I want to show you that I have to sell is this amazing Celine Triomphe bag. This is kind of a vintage one vibe. I love it. This one is a bit more, like it's a bit bigger than the ones I previously had. So it's actually very nice because you have the Triomphe canvas and the leather part. So the strap is in leather, very, very good condition, I would say. You have a logo here in leather. It's a bit darker, but still in very good condition. Anyway, you have here a pocket where you can like put anything you want. It's leather inside. Then on the leather side of the bag, it's quite gorgeous. It's a little bit rubbed here, but otherwise it's very good condition. If you want to have, if you want to buy it, you can go directly in the description below. You have a link of every item I'm going to show you to present you here. And on my website, you do have photos, description, you can buy directly there. I ship worldwide, obviously. I ship from Europe. So if you're from the US, Canada, UK, and whatever, you will have customs to pay. But even though the price is very interesting. Okay, so we can open the bag now. So we have a beautiful inside, like large pocket and a small zipper pocket. Then we had a second, like a bit smaller pocket on the front, which is actually good. The inside, like the inside of the front pocket is amazing. Inside of this one also, but you have little stain. It's very little because the condition of this one is actually gorgeous. And the price, you're going to be amazed because the Celine vintage bags are so cheap and it's going to start increasing. So maybe it's now the time to buy one. The price for this one is 360 euros, 360, which is a good one. I don't know how do you say it like in the US. I think it's like 3600 USD. I think it's 3600 or 3600. No. Yes, 3600 and not 240. I don't know. But I think you say like 3600 because when it's 360 euro. Well, let me know how you say it in the US. It's always super weird for me, but I'm happy to learn. Okay. Something else, and I love this one, and I'm sure you're gonna love it too. This is a small agenda. This is a PM size black leather. It's an epi leather. So the epi leather is very, very special. It's Louis Vuitton touched, I would say. It's gorgeous, and it's like less screaming luxury. It's like a quite luxury item, I would say. This is a black epi leather. The outside is insanely good as the inside. Like this condition is amazing, I must say, and the price also is gorgeous. The price is 190 euro, 190 or 1900. I don't know. It's here. Okay. Oh, I had this. Yes, it's true. I know you're gonna love it. So this is a Dior one. I do have the dust bag and I love it. This is kind of a wallet on chain from Dior. So this is a little bag from Dior. It's kind of a wallet on chain from Chanel, but from Dior. So this is a Dior one. So you can wear this one like this or as a clutch, or you can wear it also with the chain. I do have the chain in the little dust bag here. Let me put the chain around this here. So this is a very, very good one. I love it because it's so cheaper than the Chanel one and worth the price. Like, guys, this is a very good one. And you don't see this one that much, like everywhere. So it's actually very good. I'm gonna just attach it here. Okay, so this is how it looks with the chain. The chain is not adjustable, but if you want to shorten the strap, because personally I'm small, you would open like this, cross the chain inside, close it, and ta-da, it will be shorter. You can do the same for any bag that you have. It's working. Anyway, so the outside of the bag is very good, actually. You have some scratches on the front and on the back, obviously. You have here little damage on the side because of a chain, I guess. But it's very, very minor. And otherwise, inside now. So inside is suede leather. You can see like you have a trace of the chain, I guess, but it's very, very small. You have one pocket here with little attach here, one coin pocket here, very good condition, and one front pocket, also very good condition. I'm really happy because the condition of this one is actually very good. And the price, the price is 990 euro, 9,900 euro, which is very, very good. Knowing that the Chanel wallet Unchained from Chanel, like secondhand, is more around 2,000 euro, this one is less than 1,000 euros, so it's worth the price, like amazingly. And I actually prefer this one. Yes, ooh, I know you're gonna love it because I've been asked quite a lot to have this one back. I don't have this size much, so this is a Keeple size 45. I don't have them a lot. I usually have size 60, 55, 50, but 45, more complicated, I guess. Condition is good, very good, I would say. I would say good. Allez, good. But the Kanda is amazing. The only thing I would say is that you have stains on the leather here and here. Because I think it was because the handles were like, you know, fold. And it's a metal part that made a stain. Otherwise, condition of the leather is good. It's a little bit fold, but otherwise, I do have the same stain here, but up exactly on the spot where you have the metal. So I think it's because of this. Otherwise, I do have padlock and keys attached and tag name, and inside of the bag has a little stain. You can go on the website, check the photos and everything in order to have like a full description. But otherwise, the price for this one is 650 euros, 6,500. Okay, I'm super excited because I have another Chanel wallet, black one, caviar, leather, and vintage. That's what I like. And as you can see, you have like the vintage opening that I love so much. I do have my price tag just here. I'm just gonna, yeah, okay. So the inside of this coin pocket section is amazing. The only thing about this wallet, I would say, is here the press button. It's not broken. It works perfectly. The only thing I would say is the golden coverage. It's not gold, okay? It's just gold plated, I would say. It's not even gold plated, I think. But it's like being removed, kind of. But that's it. And otherwise, the other side is good condition, like very good condition. You have so many pockets here also. And you have the serial number here inside. So it's actually very good. And the price is 320, so 3,200 USD. Euro, sorry. Oh, yes. Okay. I also had this big slim pouch. So this one is Triumph Kanda. On the front, you have a pocket with a scratch and leather inside, very good condition. The outside of this is amazing. The corners are a little bit rubbed, but it's so minor. The jewelry is a bit used, I would say, classic. And inside here is gorgeous, like leather inside, beautiful, like not dirty, but you have some little dirt, but that's it. And you have like a zipper pocket. The only thing I would say is here, it's a little bit dirty. That's it. And price is 230 euro, 2,300 USD. Let me, euro. I don't know if it's like this, huh? But I think this is how we say it in the US. And the last but not the least, we have a toilet pouch from Louis Vuitton, monogram Kanda, classic of a classic. Outside is amazing. Like the zipper works very good. Inside, good, very good. Like you do have little stains, but this is one of the best that I had so far because usually they have lots and tons of stain. So it's actually very good. And price is 380 euro. Voila, this is all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Go on the website very quick because sometimes it can go super fast. I hope you really enjoyed it. I'm so in love with my work today. This is my everyday job and I love it. Sometimes it can be a bit hard these days, for example, because I feel like too much because we are only two with Vincent. It's only us. Vincent is still not 100% on this. And this is a lot for only 2%, but it's so much love. It's so insane. I love it. This is my dream job. Like, I'm tired these days, but this is my dream job. So thank you for watching. Thank you for following this big adventure with us. It's like the business is growing and growing. So I was wondering if you wanted like to have the video FAQ where I would answer your questions about business, about how we launched, and extra. Maybe can help actually. So do not hesitate to let me know in the comment if it's something you'd like or a video specific that you want. I'd be very happy to know. Thank you so much and see you soon.